This is Aaron from QED Environmental Systems, and now I'm going to reassemble a 4.5 inch high clearance AP4 Ultra pump. One thing that's very important is to have some good grease, either something with a PTFE additive, acro lube, key lube, macro lube, and again, very liberally on your face surface areas of your inlets and your expander rings here. So first thing I'm going to do is grease the pump head. Again, I can't stress it enough, the trainings I do all around the country, it's very important to liberally apply this and not skimp at this this portion of the pump maintenance. It will pay dividends for you down the road and being able to get your pumps apart, especially in your problem wells where you have a lot of precipitate that requires frequent maintenance. Next, I'm going to come with our float. Again, just make sure nothing's loose. You get all the buildup rings off there. Anything that you could think that may stop the stop that float from traveling freely. I'm going to come in with my lower stop, control rod spring, and our bottom cup. Next thing it's also important is always make sure to put some good high quality commercial grade Teflon tape. Don't use the cheap stuff from the Home Depot, and you want to put a good wrap around the spider just to ensure that you don't have any galling. And inspect your spider, clean your threads, detail the threads is very important. Again, maintenance and the longevity of these pumps. So you always want to put this back the way I'm showing you. Never take this off as an assembly and try to spin it back on. You always want to go 1, 2, and 3. So you want to make sure you shoulder this, because you might think it's on there all the way, but when you put this tool on there, you'll actually get that to turn a little more. Now it's fully shouldered to the discharge tube. One final thing that I like to do before putting the pump back down, again, is give it one last check over. Make sure you didn't miss anything. And this one's good to go. Make sure you got your slap. Make sure you got some play in your exhaust poppet. And now we're going to go back into the pump. We're going to the casing, I'm sorry. Again, stressing it off, make sure lots of grease on here. That way the next time you pull this pump, it should come apart relatively easy for you, and you're not having to use your case parting tool or having to beat the casing off the pump frame. With our air poppet. Some grease to our inlet face. Again, pay attention to your O-rings. If they're flat, just replace them. You won't have a performance problem or a leaking issue with any of your pumps. Clean your threads off. Apply a small amount of Vibratite to the threads. And then we like to torque these to 75 inch-pounds, so just using a simple cordless impact or a drill may not be adequate. And I would always recommend. One last thing is to use this wrench, open-ended wrench, whatever you got, to make sure that these are fully tight, so you don't have any downwell issues with possibly your inlet coming off. So that's, for the most part, that's it. Now your pump should be ready to go into your test stand. I like to leave the screen off because you use your finger to push to pop it up and drain the pump when you're done. So thanks for joining me. Good luck on all your projects, and have a great day.